We used to wait for her somewhere, so we know she will pass by.
Then you followed her?
Yes, sir.
So when you abducted her, where did you take her to?
To somewhere, a house.
Where?
At New Garage. For this side.
So how much did you collect as ransom from the family?
2,250,000.
On the 23rd of May, I was coming from my office around after 10. So when I got to the gate, I dropped from the car, wanted to open the gate. So I saw two guys that came to me with a gunshot. So then I was taken away immediately. They took me to a Camry vehicle and blindfolded me immediately. It was a bad experience, sincerely speaking. It really gave me a bad trauma. Anyway, they normally give me food, not really bread, water. At times, a threat will come out of one of them will start threatening me. He's going to kill me. He's going to do this. They needed money. I should bring money, and they were negotiating with my husband during that period.
What can you say about Nigerian police force?
Yeah, they really tried. In fact, kudos to them. They really tried, because I never expected this guy to be tracked down, sincerely speaking. Because the day I was called and was informed that they were being tracked down, in fact, I never believed my eyes until I saw them. They really tried. So, more grace to their help.
They are kidnappers. They were called, searched, and see where they hide their weapons, their AK-47. And see some of the recovered motorcycles from them. But this is very important.
Okay. He's a full animal. Okay. So one of the victims. He used to buy cow from him. The name of the victim is one Tofik Olaide. So they had a meeting on Friday evening, 5 of them, that they want to kidnap those their customers. So this one now put a call to that Tofik. That Tofik, we have a lot of cows we want to sell. Bring your customer to come and buy the cows. It's okay, the following day they are coming. They now come the following day and met this one. Already they have laid their ambush inside this Odudu village, where some of these guys with guns were there. So this one now took them on bike to that scene. When they get there, those other syndicate members emerged from the bush in an attempt to kidnap them. From there, they fired one Yusuf Taiwo on his right thigh. After firing him, while that Tofik escaped from the scene and went and raised alarm in the community. So the community people now came with a youth leader for rescue. When they came there, those guys now opened fire on them. This is how they killed the community leader. So at that scene, policemen and other were able to nip this one. This one escaped from that place. So investigation leads to the arrest of this one, while the other people, they are now at large.
In swift response to evolving criminal trends, as the lead agency on internal security, the command, through purposeful-driven intelligence, redesigned its operational and tactical architecture to comprehensively engage and surpass these challenges with the full cooperation of relevant sister agencies in strategic concert with local hunters, the vigilantes, and non-state actors. In furtherance to this, I wish to crave the indulgence of the people of Oyo State to be unrelenting in furnishing the police with timely, precise, accurate, and actionable information, which will be most vital in nipping crime in the bud. While reaffirming our commitment to the pursuit of justice, Oyo State Police Command will continue to discharge its duties with utmost respect for fundamental human rights in line with international standards, best practices.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.